Mods.
Hello, I'm Greg Rutke Mods, and welcome to episode 1 of season 3 of my Mac Pro series. This season would not be possible if it hadn't been for the great people at SellYourMac.com for giving me a great deal on this Mac Pro 4,1. And this will be the topic of the season. This episode is going to be explaining to you really quickly what this season's going to be about. And it's going to be mostly about this. But before we continue on explaining that, hey, do you have an Intel Mac you'd like to sell? Or any Apple device like an iPod, iPhone, whatnot, and you want just top dollar for it without having to deal with eBay or anyone like that? Well, if you go to sellyourmac.com/RutkeMods right here, won't be in the description below, and sell your device, I'll be getting a little money from it. It's my affiliate code, and it will help my channel, it will help me, and it will help you because you'll be making money at it at the same time. And the great bonus about SellYourMac.com is they'll send you out a free shipping label if you live in the United States of America. Now, you can sell your Mac or any Apple device that they take from anywhere in the world that you can ship to the US over, and they do offer top dollar. But anyway, just go to sellyourmac.com/RutkeMods, and I'd appreciate it, and they would too. Anyway, getting back to the point, this season is going to be about this Mac Pro right here. We'll also be talking about the 3,1 and maybe doing some Mojave flashing patching for it to install Mojave on it. And we'll also be covering other 3,1 videos, but most of the videos we'll be talking about the 4,1. We'll be flashing it to a 5,1, getting it ready for Mojave, and upgrading it as we go. And in the next episode, we'll be talking about how this Mac Pro is now, and showing you all about it. And I'll be explaining to you what my plans are for this system, upgrading it for the cheapest amount we can, and maxing it out as best as we can. So anyway, that's the end of today's episode, and thank you for watching. This has been a Rutke Mods video.